how to change the coolant temperature sensor in a 1997 to 2004 C5 Chevy Corvette. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. The coolant temperature sensor is located on the engine block in the front on the driver's side, and it is right here. This is what I'm going to replace. The new one is here. It's a temperature sensor with a connector at the end. Use your 3/4 inch socket and ratchet to loosen and remove the sensor. You may want to drain the cooling system before doing this job. I didn't do that, so I ended up with a lot of coolant leaking out. Insert the sensor and thread it by hand. Use your torque wrench to tighten down to 15 foot-pounds. Reconnect your electrical connector. Job done. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless.